Okay, in the previous video I have explained in the part 1 to you about the political parties, the formation of the political parties and the different functions of the political parties, as well as we have discussed about what is the need of these political parties. Okay, so I hope you have covered all the topic which I explained you in the previous topic. Okay, and now we will start the next topic, that is national political parties. Okay, so in this way we can see there are national political parties. First of all, we will just clear the meaning of national political parties. What is the national political parties? It means there are some conditions. Okay, it means any party become the national party. Okay, but to become a national party, some circumstances are there. So we can say that if any of the party that won the at least 6% majority, 6% seats as a Lok Sabha election. Okay, it means in this criteria, 2014 criteria, we can say that at least 11 seats in a 3 different states. Okay, so it means any of the party, any of the political party, if it just won the 6% total seats are, we can say that total 11 seats in 3 different states. So it will become a political parties. So if suppose any party become the national political party, okay. So in this way, all the national, it means election commission treats all the parties as equal. Okay, it means if either any party it is not a national party, but then also the election commission just treat all the party as equal. But then also the party, it means the national party have some privilege. Okay, it means they have particular symbols are there, and whatever the particular symbols are there, so this symbols was fixed for any of the national party, and it will not change. Okay, because you have seen when the elections are there, so some national parties are there, okay, as well as some different parties are there. So the different parties, so in every election, the different parties have their different symbols. But whatever the national parties are there, so the symbols was fixed. Okay, it means the national party symbols was not changed in every election. They have particular symbols. It means you have seen about that the Congress party, okay, the palm sign is there. Okay, in the same way, the Bharatiya Janata Party have signed the symbols of the lotus flower. Okay, in this way we can say that this is the national symbol for this national political parties. Okay, it means these parties have the rights about, we can say that some privilege are there. So these national parties are achieved. So here are total 6 national parties are there. One by one we will discuss about all these 6 national parties. Okay, first that is the Indian National Congress, second Bharatiya Janata Party, then next Bahujan Samaj Party, Communist Party of India, Marxist and Communist Party of India CPI, then National Congress Party. So first of all, I would just like to clear you Indian National Congress INC. Indian National Congress INC. It was founded in 1885. Okay, it means we can say that this is the first and oldest national party. Okay, it means the before the independence, this party, this national party was found. Okay, and it means the main prominent leader of this party is Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, and they have just worked. This party has worked very well, and we can say that in so many decades, this party gained the popularity and the support by the people. Okay, and the next party, that is the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. Okay, when this Indian National Congress, okay, so with this Indian National Congress lost the support by the people of India. So the next party is founded, that is the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, and it was founded in 1980. Okay, and the main aim of this BJP is, it means he wants to build a strong and modern India by drawing inspiration from India's ancient culture and values. Okay, it means this party is founded with the help of the Indian modern, it means they want to become help of their culture. Okay, and this party also get the support from the public side, and now also we can see that this party is getting the support from the people side. Okay, and next that is the Bahujan Samaj Party. This Bahujan Samaj Party, it means the BSP, and it was founded in 1984. The main aim of this Bahujan Samaj Party, it means you can see that in the previous time there the condition of the, we can say that the Dalit people, it was not very good. Okay, it means the untouchable peoples are there. So the main aim of this party, it means that just improve the condition of the Dalit peoples. Okay, so that's why this Bahujan Samaj Party was founded, and the main leader is that Periyar, and this was the main leader of this Bahujan Samaj Party. Next, that is the Communist Party of India Marxist. This Communist Party of India Marxist, CPIM, it was founded in 1964. Whenever you are just writing, suppose if the questions will come about the national political parties, so it my advice to you that first of all you will just write the name and the year. Okay, in this manner which I have written over there. Okay, so it will easy to you to describe the political parties. Okay, and those who are the examiner, we will also impress about the same that you have writing the political parties in this manner. Okay, so first of all you have to write the political parties in front of their ears. So because mainly the people, students, they are facing the problem by learning the years. Okay, because sometimes students are complaining, teacher, we cannot learn the years properly. Okay, sometimes we are not remember the years. So it is easy to you that you first of all write the name, and in front of the name you will just write the year. So it will very easy to you describe all the political, national political parties. Okay, so we are talking about the Communist Party of India Marxist. So this party, it is just believed in the Marxism-Leninism. Okay, and this supports socialism, secularism, and democracy, and oppose the communism. Okay, it means they are just this party, they are just work for the farmers and the working class people. Okay, and they have just get the support from West Bengal in this particular side. This party got the support. Next, that is the Communist Party of India, CPI. It was founded in 1925, and this party this is also the work believed in the idea of the Lenin Marxism, and this was work on the Indian farmers, workers, and they want to improve the condition of this particular people. Next, that is the National Congress Party, NCP. This National Congress Party, NCP, we can say that it is the newly party is there. Okay, very new party is there. It was founded on 25th May 1919 by Sharad Pawar and Sangama. And why these people they have just founded this party? When they are just thrown out by the Indian National Congress. मतलब ये जो peoples थे, जब इन दोनों को Indian National Congress से बाहर कर दिया गया था, then they have just founded this National Congress Party, and their aim was to create a strong nation, and they just want to create a modern and strong nation. Okay, so that's why in 1990 they have just created the National Congress Party. Okay, so these are the national party. Okay, besides this national parties, some other regional parties are also there. Okay, so what is the meaning of regional parties? It means regional party, any of the regional party. It means when they just get the support of at least 2%. Okay, seats. If any of the party, when they got the majority of 2% seats, at least we can say that 4 seats in any of the region, so they become the regional party. So we can say that this regional party, they are just famous in particular regions only. Okay, but it means not all over the country. Suppose if we talk about these national parties, okay, so these national parties are famous all over the world. आप लोगों ने सुना ही होगा नाम इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस, भारतीय जनता पार्टी. Okay, but regional party, it means these parties are famous in particular region only. So here we are discussing about the name of some regional parties like Samajwadi Party, Samta Party, Rashtriya Janata Dal, Indian National Political Organization, and some other parties like Biju Janata Dal, Sikkim Democratic Front, and Mizo National Front. These are considered as a regional party. Okay, it means these regional parties are famous in particular regions only, and these national parties, they are famous in all over the country. Okay, so in this topic mainly we have discussed about the national party. Now let's start our next topic. Okay, now let's start our next topic, that is the challenges to political parties. You have know about the same, that these political parties are as a face of the democracy. Okay, and the people, they are very much interested about the political parties. It means they are very much interested to talk about the political parties. Why? Because people just think about the same, and always the people are just blaming to the political parties. If anything is happened wrong in the country, okay, so they are just start to blaming about the political parties, that because of this political parties it is happened in our country. Okay, and it means always the people, they are not very much satisfied. Always the people are disappointed with the political parties. So there are 4 challenges about these political parties. So in short, I have just written the points over there. If you will write the answer in an exam, so you will also write in the same manner. Okay, and after that you will start the point description, so it will be easy for you. Okay, so first challenge will discuss about the lack of internal democracy. Lack of internal democracy. It means in this political parties we can say the lack of internal democracy. It means those who are the active member of the parties, only he will become the main leader. Okay, and only he will just decide what will happen in the parties. Okay, it means whatever the major decisions are there. Okay, so only this particular leader will take the decision, and other leader and other the members, other also the active member of the parties. Okay, so because they are not very much famous, they are not very much popular, so sometimes they don't know what is happening inside the parties. ओके, मतलब पार्टी की सारी गतिविधियों से ये लोग बना रहते हैं, इनको पता ही नहीं होता है कि पार्टीज में क्या चल रहा होता है. एंड बिकॉज समटाइम दे आर नॉट एनी द इंटरनल इलेक्शन आर देयर टू सिक्योर द टॉप पोजीशन of the leader. So that's why this peoples, okay, these are, we can say that the inactive member, they don't know what is happening in the parties. Okay, and whatever the issues are there, sometimes they are also unaware about what is going on in the party. Okay, about the policies of the party say. So that's why we can say that lack of the internal democracy, आपस में communication का lack होता है. Second, dynastic succession. Dynastic succession, it means it is happened in any of the political parties. It means in the world level also it is happened, and in our country India also it is happened, that whatever the top positions are there, okay, it means those who are the main leader of the parties, okay, so he will give the top position to their relatives only or to their family members only. Okay, it means हम कह सकते हैं कि वंशवाद होता है, तो जो भी जो टॉप पोजीशंस होती हैं वो पार्टी में उसके फैमिली मेंबर्स या रिलेटिव्स को ही दी जाती है. सो दिस इज वी कैन से द डायनेस्टिक सक्सेशन, एंड सम टाइम बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इज हैपन, सो सम टाइम इट इज हैपन दैट दोज हु आर द कैंडिडेट, ओके, इट मींस हु आर द दिस कैंडिडेट इज अ राइट कैंडिडेट फॉर दिस पोजीशन, बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सक्सेशन दे विल नॉट गेट द proper position, and those who are the not right candidate, they will secure the position. मतलब जो सही उम्मीदवार है उस सीट के लिए उसको पोजीशन नहीं मिलती है और वंशवाद के कारण, और जो कैपेबल नहीं है काम करने में वो भी कई बार वंशवाद के कारण वो सीट अचीव कर लेता है. नेक्स्ट दैट इज मनी एंड मस्कुलर पावर. दिस मनी एंड मस्कुलर पावर मेनली विल सी एट द टाइम ऑफ इलेक्शन. इट मीन्स बिकॉज टू विन द इलेक्शन दिस पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, in the previous also I have explained about the same, that to win the election this political parties sometimes they just start to illegal position they are just started, मतलब कुछ इस तरह से जो सही नहीं है वो कार्यकलाप ये लोग करने लगते हैं इलेक्शन जीतने के लिए. ओके, इट मीन्स समटाइम they are just spending they are just stand in the election, the candidate those who are very much rich and they can spend lot of money, जो ज्यादा पैसा खर्च कर सकता है इलेक्शन में उसको कैंडिडेट के लिए खड़ा कर सकते हैं ये. And sometimes they are just use the muscular power, those who are the criminal records, the criminal records होता है, so in the time they are just use the muscular power also to win the election. Next, that is the meaningful choice. Meaningful choice, it means we can say that at the time of election, so many parties are there, so the common people, they don't have the proper choice to choose the parties. It means which party will win the election, because the common people, they don't have the meaningful choice. Meaningful choice का अभाव होता है. It means all the parties, they have just same criteria is there. It means they are just following the same criteria. They are just giving the same choice to the people. Okay. It means in the example, one example is given in your book. Okay. So in this example, it is given that in America there are two parties are there. That is the Labour Party and the Conservative Party in Britain. But their just objective, it is almost same. So we can say that the people, they don't have the meaningful choice that in which party they are just used to choose. So these are the challenges faced to the political parties. So if we have discussed about the functions of the political party, national parties, and the challenges we have discussed. So now one question is raised in front of us, that is, how can parties be reformed? Okay, this is the next topic of your book also, that how can parties be reformed? It means how the parties be reformed, because already it means we can say that the previous structure are there in the parties, whatever the structure we have discussed, this previous structure is followed in the party. So what should we do? That this party do their function in a proper manner, okay, and they will work for the welfare of the people, they will work for the welfare of the country. So how we can reform this party, how we can reform the party? So there are few points are there, that the constitution was amended to prevent elected MLAs and MPs from changing parties. It means sometimes this happened that those who are the elected MPs, it means member of the parliament, and MLAs member of the legislative assembly, so after winning the election they just change the party, अपना दल बदल लेते हैं. Okay, so it should be happen in many times. So what should the government do? It means the government just clear about the same, that if any MLA or the MPs will change the party, so in the same manner, their whatever the seat they have just secure, it will also finish. मतलब उन्होंने जो अपनी पोजीशन ली है वो क्या होगी, खत्म हो जाएगी, वो उनकी जो कुर्सी है वो या उनकी जो सीट है वो गिर जाएगी. Okay, it means so in this condition the MLAs and the MPs, they will not change their party. The next thing is there, the Supreme Court has passed one thing about those who are the candidate, okay, those who are the candidate, they are just standing in the election, so they have to show, it means they have to give an affidavit, and in this affidavit they will just clear about all their properties, okay, and suppose if any of the candidate they have any criminal record, then to also he have just shown each and everything in front of the public. Okay, so this is just this rules, it is just started by the Supreme Court of India. But so we are also seeing before the election, it means the candidates, they are showing their properties, and if it means their education, their qualification, all the things they are shown in front of the public. We have seen the newspaper also, but it is not sure, because whatever they are just showing, okay, it is just written there only. इसको डबल से क्लियर से उसको क्लियरफाई नहीं किया जाता है कि एक्चुअल में जो रिकॉर्ड दिया गया है इट वाज करेक्ट और नॉट. ओके, सो इट शुड बी रीचेक्ड अगेन, सो इट विल बी गुड फॉर द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. नेक्स्ट, दैट इज द इलेक्शन कमीशन पास एन ऑर्डर मेकिंग इट नेसेसरी फॉर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज टू होल्ड देयर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इलेक्शन, फाइल देयर इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न. It means all the things, okay, so all the things if they will show, so in this manner the people are very much know about the political parties, and it is also the mandatory that whatever the expenses and whatever the things they are spending for the formation of any of the party, so it will also shown in their agenda. Okay. And one more thing is there, that is, if any of the political parties are there, so in internal basis they have just to do the election for the high post. Okay, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि किसी को भी अपनी मर्जी से हाई पोस्ट वंशवाद के हिसाब से दे दी जाए. They have to do the internal election for the high post, and the government start one criteria about to spend the money in the election, because sometimes it has happened that if any of the party, if the member of the party, they are so much rich, so sometimes they are use some meaningful technique to win the election. So that's why government start to do the same, that the spending money, it will be fixed by the any of the political party, so they will not use some meaningful technique for winning the election. Okay, so maybe we can say that the government will fix the amount for the same. And one more thing is that any of the political parties are also, they have to secure at least 1/3 of the seat for the women also. Okay, for the post. Okay, so in this condition, suppose women have also secured the position, so they will also do the work for the welfare of the country. So this was the full complete, we can say that with the help of this function, or with the help of this things, we can just reform the political parties. But simply we can say that it is not a very easy method. Okay, so in simply we can say that main two things are there. Okay, either if any of the person, they are not satisfied with the political parties, okay, so the two choices are for them. Okay, first choice is there, that they have just start the campaigning about that, means they have just create a group. Okay, and the group of the people, they have just raise their voice about any of the political parties if they are not functioning the way. Okay, and the second choice is there, that here also just join that particular party. So suppose यदि वो उस पार्टी का मेंबर होगा, so then he can just improve the quality of the political parties. So these are the two choices in front of the common people. Okay, so in this chapter we have discussed about, it means in the previous topic also, in the previous video I have explained to you, and in the second video. So in this complete chapter we have discussed about the political parties, their functions. Okay, and the necessity of the political parties. We have discussed the same manner, we have discussed about the national parties and how can we reform the political parties. Okay, so I hope you have covered all the topics which I explained you, and in the same manner I have given some trick also to you, that how you will write if this type of questions will come in the exam. So please follow the complete procedure and please go to the topic which I explained you. Very soon we will meet with the next topic.